exhibited in Rideasia 2024. Our brand Alter is built for the road ahead. We are committed to the mission of modifying and delivering satisfactory products with the commitment of quality and care of every budget. We work day and night to deliver what we promise. Our motive is to enhance the automotive industry by decreasing the pollution factor from vehicles. So our company deals in e-cycles, conversion kits and lithium battery packs to modify the existing vehicles to be pollution-free, so to bring a better tomorrow. However, our vision for the future is not just to be a well-established brand, but to become the most competitive and respected Indian auto brand in the world, known for vehicle modification. We manufacture e-cycles and lithium battery packs and importers of conversion kits. In the future, we will continue to refine our products, not only to everyone in India but beyond, as we wish to take our brand Alter to the world. Alter. Thanking you for honoring to our stall with your modest visit.